Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're learning English and want to improve your listening and speaking skills, you're in the right place.
Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining us today. In this episode, we're going to have a relaxed, natural conversation in American English.
Yes, and today we're talking about travel, daily life, work, food, and culture. So try to listen carefully and enjoy the conversation.
Let's get started.
Hey there.
Hi.
How's it going today?
It's going pretty well, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing great. It's a nice day and I'm happy to be here. So, where are you from?
I'm from England.
Oh, England. That's really cool. Which part of England?
I'm from a city near London. It's not right in the city, but not too far away either.
Nice. I've always wanted to visit England. How long have you been here?
I've been here for about 5 days now.
So, what brought you here? Work or vacation?
I came here on vacation. I really needed a break.
I totally understand that. Travel is a great way to relax and see new places. Are you traveling alone or with friends or family?
I'm traveling alone this time. It's my first solo trip, actually.
Wow, that's brave. How does it feel traveling alone?
At first, I was a little nervous, but now I really enjoy it. I can go anywhere I want and do things at my own pace.
That's true. Traveling alone gives you a lot of freedom. Are you enjoying your trip so far?
Yes, very much. I'm having a great time.
What do you like the most about being here?
I think the people. Everyone I've met has been very kind and helpful.
That's great to hear. Friendly people can really make a place feel special.
Absolutely. Even when I don't understand everything, people are patient and smile a lot.
How about the food? Do you like the food here?
Oh, yes, I love it. The food is delicious.
Is it very different from food in England?
Yes, it is different, but in a good way. The flavors are stronger and there are more spices.
Some people think the food here is too spicy. What do you think?
It's not too spicy for me at all. I actually love spicy food.
Really? That's impressive.
Yes, I can eat spicy food every day. It makes meals more exciting.
Do you have a favorite dish so far?
Yes, I tried a local dish yesterday and I loved it. I might try it again before I leave.
Have you noticed any big cultural differences?
Yes, a few. Life here feels a bit slower and people seem more relaxed.
That's interesting. Do you like that slower pace?
I do. Back home, everything feels very busy all the time. This is a nice change.
Sometimes slowing down helps us enjoy life more.
Exactly. I've been walking a lot, taking photos, and just enjoying the moment.
By the way, since you're from England, I have to ask, do you like football?
Actually, no, I don't really like football.
Oh, really? That's surprising.
I know. A lot of people expect me to love football, but I just never got into it.
That's totally fine. What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading, traveling, and trying new food. I also like walking and listening to music.
That sounds relaxing. What kind of music do you like?
Mostly calm music, pop, acoustic, and sometimes jazz.
So how much longer will you stay here?
I'll stay for 2 more days.
Only 2 more days? That's not very long.
I know, time goes by so fast when you're traveling.
Do you wish you could stay longer?
Yes, definitely, but I have to go back to work soon.
Speaking of work, what do you do for a living?
I work for a big company.
Oh yeah? What kind of company?
It's an import company. We bring products from different countries into the UK.
That sounds interesting. Do you like your job?
Most of the time, yes. It can be stressful, but I enjoy working with international teams.
That makes sense. What about you? What do you do?
Well, what about you? What's your job?
I work at a bank.
Oh, are you a bank teller?
No, actually, I'm the owner.
Oh, wow, that's impressive.
Thank you. It took a lot of time and hard work.
Do you enjoy running a bank?
Yes, I do. It's challenging, but I like helping people manage their money.
That's great. Do you have any plans for the future?
I want to grow the business slowly and keep a good work-life balance.
That sounds smart. Life shouldn't be only about work.
Exactly. How about you? Any future plans?
I'd love to travel more. Maybe visit the US again or explore Asia.
That sounds exciting. Traveling really opens your mind. Well, it was really nice talking with you.
Yes, I enjoyed our conversation a lot.
I hope you enjoy your last 2 days here.
Thank you so much. I definitely will.
And to everyone listening, thanks for joining us today.
Keep practicing your English, and I will see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Vocabulary list. A2 to B1 friendly. Vacation. Time off from work to relax or travel. Solo trip. Traveling alone. At my own pace. Doing things without rushing. Kind or friendly. Nice and helpful. Local dish. Food from that place. Spicy. Food with strong heat or flavor. Culture. The way people live, eat, and behave. Pace of life. How fast or slow daily life feels. Free time. Time when you are not working. For a living, your job. Import company. A business that brings products from other countries. Stressful. Making you feel pressure or worry. Work-life balance. Time for both work and personal life. Impressive. Very good or surprising.